Hello and welcome, young historians. So today we are continuing our work on contextualising medicine and health through time. Last lesson we looked at the Renaissance period or early modern. Today we are going to look at the Industrial Revolution, what it was like and how it impacted on medicine and health. So, to start off, I would like you to just jot down and see what you can remember from your studies in Key Stage 3, in Year 8, about the Industrial Revolution. Pause here, then come back. So the first thing we need to know is when the Industrial Revolution was. So we are looking at this time period here, between the 18th and 19th century, so 1700 to 1900. The Industrial Revolution begins probably around 1750, right up to 1900. This time period can interchangeably be called the Industrial Revolution era, or the 18th and 19th centuries is fine as well. So, if you would like to challenge yourself, have a think about what symbol you might use to represent the Industrial Revolution based on what you already know. Before we get going, we need a little bit of background information, and some of us might need to jog our memories about what the Industrial Revolution was. So, I have linked this video in the description on your Show My Homework and also in the video links on Show My Homework. It is the BBC Teach video. You just need to watch it and note down at least 10 important facts that you find out from this. So watch that, write down your facts, and then come back for your final task. Okay, so hopefully you have a bit more of an insight into what the Industrial Revolution was. What you're going to do now is, using the information links that I have put onto your Show My Homework about all different things to do with the Industrial Revolution, you are going to create an information leaflet about the Industrial Revolution for someone who has not heard of it before. So, with that in mind, you need to think about how you're going to phrase things, how you're going to lay it out, what kind of language you're going to use. Specifically, that means not copying and pasting. Think about the kinds of things that you would want to read. What would you understand if you'd never heard of the Industrial Revolution before and you had no idea of what its impact was on health and medicine? Within your leaflet, you should include information about the following things: what the Industrial Revolution was like and what it was, what life was like in cities in the Industrial Revolution and how that might have impacted on health. So, for example, if it was crowded, how would that have impacted on people's health? What diseases were common in the Industrial Revolution? And what healthcare was available in the Industrial Revolution? So when we're talking about healthcare, I mean things like medicines, hospitals, what kind of progress there had been in knowledge about what caused disease and illness or how to treat it. You can do your work on PowerPoint, Word, paper, it doesn't matter, but it should be your absolute personal best presentation. I don't want any scraps of paper and I don't want any scrawly handwriting that I can't read. So, if you have any questions, give me a shout. If you need any help, let me know. You should upload your work to Show My Homework or you can email it to me. Good luck!